I was so happy to be married that when it broke, I was in like a lot of anger, a lot of resentment, a lot of like, what the hell. That apology is still due. And for that apology, like if he doesn't feel it, I will go till whatever end there is of the world to get that apology, because you don't get to do this. You don't get to come and get married and be the dulha and then say, "Shaadi to hui nahi." I thought she was married to a very big businessman. I'm like, sorry, no. Which also I had to say it out loud. I didn't think people would just assume कि एक एक्टर ने शादी की है तो पैसा ही देख के की होगी. How will he justify कि एक तो मैंने गलत किया, एक तो मैंने शादी को ही डिनाई कर दिया, ऊपर से मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड लेके तुम्हारे, and he knows where I stay. He literally came पड़ोस में with his girlfriend within few months of me coming here. I have made you famous. Like today, if you Google his name, it comes Daljeet Kaur's husband. It's sad in a way, but he wanted it, I think. All you need to do is actually just say, I'm going to take care of your son and I'll be nice to you. Yes. That's all you needed to say. And I would lay my life to you.
You know, infidelity, when it becomes a part of any relationship, even the most confident women that I know, it shakes them up.
I feel like an Amazon package, which was online. अच्छा ये अच्छा है, इसका ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, ये काम आएगा, ले लिया. फिर खोल के देखा, थोड़ा यूज़ किया, लगा नहीं, I can do better. So आपने उसको wrap up किया और भेज दिया.
When it happened for the first time, you were younger.
Yeah.
Also, Jayden was like a child, a kid, and a newborn baby, right?
I was mentally, I think बहुत बाद में समझ में आया, physically not ready, because I had just given birth. I had just like produced a child for the first time. Because people were like, अरे यार शालीन तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे होंगे, आपके साथ तो होंगे and all of that. And then one day I had to be like, why should I be scared to answer? नहीं है तो नहीं है. Proof तो दिया नहीं. हमें कैसे पता वो violent है? I said it is not. मैं यहाँ proof करने बैठी ही नहीं हूँ. But for him to vanish midway at the age of 9.
Yeah.
1 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल तक भी टाइम था उसके पास. मैं तब भी शायद forgive कर देती. At 9. वो बच्चे को तो यही लग रहा है ना शायद मैंने कुछ गलत किया. Jayden को definitely it was, I think, more tougher in a way. Yeah. It took him a while, but I think the therapies worked, and he's in a better place.
She's strong-headed, she's fierce, she's honest, but most importantly, she's that one woman who's inspired so many people out there, and I would just not say women, so many people, and that is what makes her a true Shero, and I'm so honored to be welcoming her on Sheroes, only on FPJ Showbiz. Hi Daljeet, how have you been?
Hi, such a kind introduction. Thank you so much. It really means a lot.
I believe it, because this show is made to celebrate women like you. And why I said people and not women, because I genuinely have come across so many men who felt comfortable talking about their dark phase, just because in so many interviews you said that it's not female or male or gender oriented.
Yes.
If something wrong has to happen, it can happen with any human being.
Absolutely.
But starting off, tell me, how are you feeling? And you seem so much happier, so much better than last year, and I'm so happy you're back to working.
Yes.
And your son's happy, he's healing. So how is it going?
I think my maths of life comes from 1 + 1. If Jayden is fine, I am 100% fine. I think this glow, this confidence and health that I feel so much better now internally, is because Jayden is in a better place. And I think, like I said, my maths is very simple. He's fine, then I'm fine.
Lovely. As a mom, it's always so important that your child is just all right, That's all a mother wants. Like, like I'm 28 and my mom still takes so much stress that, are you okay? And we live away. So that's the constant thing that goes on. You just told me off camera that Jayden is now in Pune. He's schooling there. Yeah. So how has the bond also evolved as he's growing up?
I think with all that both of us saw as a team, I would say, it's just made us so powerful. I think the fact that I never shied away from speaking what I felt from the time that I said, you know what, I want to talk, made him very powerful, because I was not shying away. Then he was not afraid of answering lot of, it's unfortunate, but kids are also quite mean these days.
Yeah.
Let's just put it out there. So for him, I was like, just be blatant about what's happened. Like, we did nothing wrong. So that's the end of the story. So when he sees my interviews, or he sees how, like, unabashedly, like, I'm just there, out there, I think that's given him the confidence as well. And now we are in a place where we can laugh about it, we can just speak about it, and I think, so that's, I think, placed us both quite well today. So
Wow.
yeah.
That's so good to hear that you guys can laugh about it. I think
Yes.
that's the final process of healing.
Yes.
Of course, healing is a way bigger terminology and वो life भर चलता रहता है.
Yeah.
But at least when you reach that point where now you can make fun of what's happened
Yeah.
in a jolly way, that's a win situation for
Yeah.
sure. But Daljit, if any woman, and why I say woman now, because we are emotionally way more involved in a lot of things. Like, I think availability emotionally of women is way more than any other gender.
100%.
Any woman who goes through something difficult in life, if not once, twice, it can break her in a way where there can't be a coming back. And when I see you and your journey and the way how gracefully you have come back, and not played any dirty games, not involved a lot of messy situations. Even when you have given interviews, you have respected the boundary of the situation, because of course your son is also involved.
Yes.
Was there any point in this given thing where you felt like giving up and just hiding and never speaking?
I think that was my phase one, where when I came back, because also I think a part of me was in denial, like now everybody knows. Initially, I was in that denial phase, also the phase where I thought things will get better, because I didn't know that, oh, this was a fraud. Like, that came to me much later, because then I put 1 + 1 together. But initially, I was in a, let's go under the carpet and like shut our eyes and say, andhera, be that cat to, But then my second phase, I think, was once the therapy got over, when I talked about it, cried about it, shouted about it in my closed door in the darkness, when I kind of let out everything and knew that this is it, like what I was thinking, what it is, when I kind of understood where I'm standing and what the ground felt like. I think then my second phase was speaking about it. My second phase, like you rightly said, I have spoken and not spoken about a lot of things, but I think I have been very open about what's happened, what's not, because again, when things happened, also I was very happy and very loud about it. So I did not shy away when things were good. I did not shy away when things went wrong. I think that is the person that I am. And so it is difficult for sure, because like, even as we speak, we are in August now. It's literally 1.5 years of me coming back. For people, it might be like, oh my God, she's like back and she's given 100 interviews. But for me, it's half, I think 6-7 months were in denial. Few months of me speaking out. Now finally I've come back again, I'm working again. But it's just 1.5 years, like, so it's not easy even today. Like, I know a lot of people today, actually, when I see, I feel, I wish I had that, where they could just move on and, oh, it is yesterday's story. I still feel the pain. I still feel like it actually happened. Like, sometimes, it happens when you wake up and you're like, it actually happened to me. It's not कि पड़ोसी की कहानी नहीं है. Sometimes when you read a paper, you feel, हाँ, ये burglary हुई है, या कोई किसी का murder हुआ है. When you read it in the paper, you always think, हाँ, ये तो वहाँ हुआ है. But when it actually happens to you in your house, it's a very different story. So like I always say, it's okay to not be okay. And until I feel absolutely okay, I will speak about it. So this is my healing which is going on. And as and when I feel better, because I feel so much better now, it's going to be as is.
This is so inspiring to hear, because everyone has their own journey. If speaking about it after 6 months of not speaking about it makes anybody feel better, then you do you.
Yes, you do you, 100%.
Wow. But there, as a society, we are so conditioned to always judging the woman. And by that I mean, last year we had a conversation with Shweta Tiwari. She has had a similar experience. So when she was talking about two broken marriages, she did name you. She did,
Oh, really?
she did say that, you know, I feel bad for her and I understand her, because that was the phase where you had just come out speaking about it and people were trolling you and
Yes.
coming at you saying, how can it happen twice?
Yeah.
And that is
इसमें ही
what,
कोई गलती होगी.
exactly, and that is
Yeah.
exactly what she went through.
Yeah.
So when people don't know your side of the story and they're too quick to judge, and even when you have given proof and said everything clearly, even then if you are being judged, does that not bother you from within? Because as a third person it bothers me.
Um, Again, this has been in phases, I think. I was so happy to be married that when it broke, I was in like a lot of anger, a lot of resentment, a lot of like, what the hell? So my anger came in a lot of ways, but of course I had to dilute it. Like I always say, my son is there, even his daughter is there. I would refrain a lot of details because then this is recorded forever.
Yeah.
I have absolutely no delusion to that man, because he needs to know that I'm not going to keep quiet. He needs to know that I will fight till the end of the world to make sure that he knows this is not something you can do with people. They are real people, real families. And whether it's a family like mine जिनका दूर दूर तक हमारी इंडस्ट्री से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, बहुत नॉन ग्लैमरस, बहुत ही सीधे साधे लोग हैं, या कोई भी हो, you cannot do this. So for me, that apology is still due. And for that apology, like if he doesn't feel it, I will go till whatever end there is of the world to get that apology, because you don't get to do this. You don't get to come and get married and be the dulha and then say, shaadi to hui nahi. You can't do that. To real people, you can't do that. Now, whether in Kenya, like he used to always say that I know people who know people, you know, kind of situation where it's more or less being said ki I can manage things. I am telling him, do whatever you want. I will fight till the very end, because that's an apology that I deserve, my soul deserves. Before I die or breathe my last breath, I deserve that apology and I will get it out of him. But for the children, I have nothing. I feel, you know, even the daughter being raised, you know, she's in her 16 now. My heart genuinely, and I don't want to say it for anyone, it bleeds for me, because she didn't deserve to see all of that as well. Was she not doing things she shouldn't have? No. As a child also, she was quite aware, very intelligent, you know, adult girl. But she's seeing what she's seeing there. She's being raised like that. So in a way, I don't blame her. I feel, yaar, you know, bachcho ke upar nahi hona chahiye. The way I feel Jaden didn't deserve it, I feel the kid didn't deserve it either. So my heart goes out in general for all the kids. But with him, oh, I'll fight like a man. I will so fight like a man till the very end. And it's a fact.
Wow. You know, once you are a public figure, a lot of people, especially your family or your friends who truly love you, they will always tell you if somebody is being too nice to you, that maybe, you know, he wants to use or she wants to use, gender no bar, because you are famous. ये हमेशा होता है. Like I have friends who are actors and they keep telling me कि यार सच में is he in love with me or फिर just because I am somebody. Were these statements, these comments, किसी ने ऐसा कुछ suggest किया था when you were first seeing?
100%. You know, in a very weird way, I think it's just the calculations just didn't work. I was very sure I didn't want an actor, because I thought, you know, when you're an actor, then you're in that make-believe world, then you're in the number game, then you're in this Instagram, this million, that million and all of that. So I thought, you know, I need somebody completely out of this game. So I, in my right calculations then, which went terribly wrong later, is the fact that somebody who's not affected by numbers, somebody who has maybe some other country only is living in, has nothing to do with Mumbai, nothing to do with fame. So in my head, this was a very intelligent thing to do, because he was working as a normal employee for a company, you know, which people said, oh, I thought she was married to a very big businessman. I'm like, sorry, no. Which also I had to say it out loud. I didn't think people would just assume कि एक actor ने शादी की है तो पैसा ही देख के की होगी. भाई परिवार देख के भी जो single parents होते हैं उनकी तलब होती है. तब ठीक है. But my calculation that time was this. But again, I think today everybody walking this earth is affected by fame, affected by the numbers, and very sadly they are okay to cross any path to get that, oh, they know me or she knows me. It's just very sad. And the best thing is, it's being twisted in all the courts saying, she is maligning my name in the media because obviously, now I am somebody who will speak as is. अब तो ऐसा है कि अब वो how will he justify कि एक तो मैंने गलत किया, एक तो मैंने शादी को ही डिनाई कर दिया, ऊपर से मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड लेके तुम्हारे, and he knows where I stay. He literally came पड़ोस में with his girlfriend within few months of me coming here. So the things he did, and I was like, dude, you're famous enough now, just stop.
Yeah, stop.
Like, please stop. I have made you famous. Like today, if you Google his name, it comes Daljit Kaur's husband.
Yeah.
It's sad in a way, but he wanted it, I think. So he's got it. Great. Bravo. Now can we stop? Like, ideally, he should just come, say sorry. You were angry, you did what you did. I did something wrong to you and your kid. Like, I think his soul will have to answer a lot of people up there, because eventually it's a soul journey. He thinks he's this dude or whatever, but eventually it's a soul journey. And he's hurt my soul, my son's soul, my parents, my family. So he has to give an apology. He gives it this way, that way, or after everything is over, up there, he has to give it.
Yeah.
So I'm seeking for that apology. But yeah, it is like this. So
you seem like somebody who has a lot of love to offer. Even when you were talking about, even when all this mess had not happened, the way you showed your relationship, it was like you had so much love in your heart that you were just craving for a family and just like a father figure to your kid. Now when somebody gets a woman like this, a man, and I'm talking about from a point of view of how relationships work today, I feel that man will never let that woman go, because she is a homely person. She has left everything she had, moved countries, moved continents, come to you, and is ready to take care of your kid as well, right? When all of these things happen, I feel, ठीक है, अगर एक जिसमें हो भी गया, was there ever a moment where he asked you to come back?
See, initially, though, we were in touch. Even when I came here, I had come for the launch of Dashmi, one of my films. And of course, I'd come out after a fight only. So once I'd come here, I had to give interviews for the promotion of the film. So I was very nervous because they were asking me about him. And I was like, we should work, we should work. Like, I was just continuously talking about work, not like letting them divert and talk about him. But when I came here, he was continuously talking about, we'll make this work. And we had already started with marriage therapy counseling, which he had only taken me to a lady. That's a chapter that I'll open someday for sure. And then he said, we've just started the therapy, so let's do it, give it a chance. And so there was a consideration from my side. Clearly he was already somewhere else, but I was being told that this is a workable situation, maybe from a long distance, you can fly in here, maybe we can have the kids right now on a separate country, and we'll figure this out and all of that. So I was like, okay, fine. Though I was angry, but I was like, okay, maybe it's workable. We were still, because it was marriage. For me, it was not that I was like, all you need to do is actually just say, I'm going to take care of your son and I'll be nice to him. That's all you needed to say. And I would lay my life to you, because he used to travel 18-20 days a month. And I was the one taking care of both the kids. And but I think that's not a big deal. But I had never kind of put myself in a pedestal that, oh my God, I'm doing a great thing. I think that's what, and I was excited. Like you said, I was super excited. I was excited to wear the chuda. I was excited to be married. I think the craving was too much, too much. Like, I think my life's agenda was shadi karni hai. But yeah, it eventually, of course, now if somebody talks about marriage, I'm like, can you stay away from me? Like, it's no way in hell. I think it's crushed so badly. Like I said, the soul is hurt. Daljit is not hurt. But a soul is so badly hurt that honestly, his family, should come and apologize. It is a long overdue apology.
Yeah.
You cannot as a family come and do the shing shang of marriage and do the barat and the mehndi and the haldi and do all of that and then say the cultural event tha. You cannot do it. You're not allowed as human beings to do
Yeah.
it. You're angry with me for something, I have done something and I'll talk about it. You cannot do that.
True.
You know, the marriage video we had never put out because his daughter wanted to sing the background song, which we recorded also. But then eventually you're like, no, you know, this one is working, whatever. So we delayed it thinking it's going to be more beautiful with a. So our marriage video was something like well awaited that we're going to put it on the first anniversary or something like that. At least in my head, like I said, I was being shown something completely different. But I didn't know that my marriage video will come out as a proof when he will say शादी नहीं cultural event है, and I will end up putting that out कि भैया ये बता दो क्या है, and then he said ये तो तुमने बच्चे के लिए child abuse कर दिया है, तुमने consent नहीं लिया मेरी बेटी से, क्योंकि उस पूरी 20 मिनट के वीडियो में वो लड़की जो बच्ची है वो बोल रही है आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट बोथ ऑफ देम गेटिंग मैरिड एंड ओ माई गॉड शी इज एन एक्टर आई एम सो एक्साइटेड शी इज टॉकिंग. So his anger was कि हमारी excitement दिख रही है, you know. But to put a child, whatever abuse, I was like,
This is too
what
much,
is
yeah.
with your, like, you can't be that insane. So yeah, it's been so weird. Like I said, it'll take me a while, but I'm happy I can laugh about it
Yeah,
now,
that is evident.
Yeah.
As we sit here and speak.
Yeah.
But what was that moment like when you realized ki now enough is enough? Because as women, we are ready to give chances if we truly feel that, you know, there's some potential. Like you said, just say that you'll take care of my son, me, and you'll just be nice. How difficult is it to be a nice person?
Why would you take a full-fledged child and a mother, a single mother who's done nothing but raise the child, and say, you know what, I'm going to treat your son like that? You can't do that. And then I was told, I didn't know you got married for your son. I'm like, what are you talking, dude? Like, what conversation is this?
Yeah.
Like, anybody, any Tom, Dick and Harry walking on this planet, whoever might have seen me or might have heard of me somewhere, will know Jaden.
Yeah.
I have never hidden him and said, you know, like a lot of actors say कि मेरी तो शादी नहीं हुई. Jaden पहले आता है, उसके बाद हमारी conversation की शुरुआत में Jaden पहले आया, because everybody knows. I was like, you did not do your R&D. You are a very not an intelligent man. You're a very cunningly smart man. Didn't you do that R&D? You know. So, but the point is, yeah, it's I don't know. It's question.
How important do you think is it to be financially independent to make any such decision? Because this is for all those people who called you a gold digger when you were getting married and they thought and assumed he's a rich businessman. He wasn't. He was doing a normal job. And I feel even if he was, you have seen money in your life very young, right? You've been working since an extremely young age in a business, in an entertainment business, which gives quite nice amount of money, right?
Yeah.
So your lifestyle was really nice anyway. So I don't think any practical person would say that. But just for the people who still didn't understand, tell me how important it is to be financially independent. And secondly, this term that was associated with you for quite some time, which was the gold digger term.
I think let's start with the fact that every woman, so a lot of women got in touch with me. These trollers probably are 1%.
Yeah.
99% are those women whom I actually now know names of. You know, if I just scroll through how much I give them voice notes now, because I realize there's just so much I want to tell them, you know, who are dealing with this. So women at any stage need to be financially independent. It was tricky for me because I was leaving the comfort of the only thing that I was doing, which was entertainment and industry mein working as a television actor. तब social media of course था, but it was again I think I was getting more brands here. But मुझे लग रहा था कि शायद वहाँ जाके भी कुछ brands आ जाएंगे and all of that, which was his calculation more than mine. He was very sure YouTube भी हो जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा. But in my head I knew कि पता नहीं, दूसरे country में कभी रही नहीं हूँ. I've only stayed here. But financial independence is the key to get out of something horrid. More than getting into it, like I just feel proud that even today if I'm saying the same thing, I'm able to say it with so much confidence because I had the power of working hard. The only thing I've done is work hard in my life. I know how to raise a child. That is my comfort zone. I know how to get money. I have been a television actor. I'm doing Colors Ka show as we speak. I am doing one of very, very nice roles in that. So for me to earn money is not, it was something that I've done.
Yeah.
My craving was to get a family. But yes, when you go to a different country and suppose aapka, you've saved up, please save that money for yourself. Please keep it safe. I think the financially my big jolt was that over almost years, decades of staying, I had collected things over the years. It could be a Pilate machine which is 2 lakh rupees. It could be an aquarium worth 3 lakh rupees. It could be my small little corner I made out of 1000 rupees. I might have got it from an artisan, or to get a luxury car which was 45 lakh rupees. I'm naming money for a fact.
Yeah.
That बात 1000 रुपए की या लाखों रुपए की नहीं है. बात ये है कि हमने एक पैसा जमा करके I got that house together. उसमें एक कौन सा कहीं गए कुछ ले आए. Over the years how you build up your house.
Yeah.
And then when I knew that I'm going to another country, I couldn't take all of that. My parents don't have a very big house where I could say आप लोग रख लो. My sisters have a full-fledged house. Nobody needed it. So I had to give away the things that I built with a lot of love. Now that love is a thing where you have to add a billion zeros in front. Now my loss is very personal.
Yeah.
Because I left all that thinking अब तो नया घर बनाएंगे. So उसके घर में जो plants आए, that was worth my zillion rupees. कि नहीं यार, घर की ये कोने में रखेंगे, वास्तु के हिसाब से करेंगे and all of that. So I think that is something that I feel hit me more hard. क्योंकि देखो लोगों के लिए बोलना बड़ा आसान है, but for somebody to actually build that one by one brick at a time, and then by choice physically uprooting it and throwing it off and saying no, it's okay.
Yeah.
And then वहाँ से आपको uproot कर दिया, and then you're like, there used to be bricks here, I want it back. It could be worth that 1 rupee, but I want that back. Now I'm not going to get that back. So I'm starting all over again, which is unfair. That's my only thing. So financial independence, but एक चीज़ है, 100 बात की एक बात, the fact that I know कि आज initially क्या हुआ, I was very whatever, depressed or whatever, so I was eating, I was very out of shape. And again, the roles that we do, I couldn't approach them for the kind of roles that I've done because I was not looking the part, and it would be unfair. So every time I would look myself in the mirror, I'm like, oh shit, I'm not going back to work soon, clearly. Now I started working out. So now अब काम तो वापस आ ही गया है, काम तो कर ही रहे हैं. पैसा कमाना या सेट पे जाना तो मेरा बहुत ही comfort zone है, तो बहुत ही मेरा मतलब it's like a second nature, But क्योंकि एक चाहे वो कला हो, चाहे वो education हो, वो होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. I think I had the courage to speak for my son. बिकॉज आई न्यू कि एक तो मेरी फैमिली है और एक मेरी खुद की कला है. मैं वो मेहनत मैं बहुत करती हूँ, वो तो की मेहनत ही की और तो क्या ही किया. तो इंडिपेंडेंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, सेव करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, चाहे वो 2 रुपये या चाहे. आई थिंक इफ़ आई हैड ऑनेस्टली इफ़ आई हैड टू डू दिस ऑल ओवर अगेन, आई वुड नॉट गिव अप एनीथिंग. आई वुड से आई विल कम एंड लिव विद यू, आई विल कीप पेइंग द रेंट और यू पे द रेंट. I will stay with you for a year or 2 years to see. I will not sell my car. I will not sell my things. I will not give up my house. I'll come live with you, prove that you're going to be nice, because again, it's on trust, right? Yeah. But वो सब कुछ give up करना was a very big mistake, and I completely own it. But again, nobody really takes that step for something as horrid as this.
Yeah.
But again, I could come back because I knew कि चल यार, शुरू से शुरू करना तो बहुत ही आसान है, वो कर लेंगे वापस. बट हाँ, इंडिपेंडेंट होना इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर वुमेन स्पेशली, एंड लॉट ऑफ वुमेन गेट इन टच विद मी कि हमारी फैमिली एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रही है. वो बोल रही है आप जैसे भी हो, आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आप मर रहे हो, आपके बच्चे को कुछ ट्रीट करे, आपकी दूसरी बार शादी कराइए, आप वापस नहीं आ सकते क्योंकि हमारी फैमिली का नाम खराब हो जाएगा. And that I give it to my family. I applaud them.
Yeah.
I bend down in respect, in awe, that they were not even once, not though this audience saying कि ये तो दूसरी बार हुआ है. They were like, it doesn't matter. तू ठीक ठाक आ जा, तू बच्चे को ले आ, हम देख लेंगे. एंड मेरी कोई बहुत बड़ी फैमिली वैसी है नहीं, दे वेरी सिंपल हम्बल बैकग्राउंड, बट दे नेवर थॉट कि आई एम गोना बी अ लायबिलिटी. सो इट्स ऑल्सो अ वे टू अपील टू द फैमिली कि अगर दूसरी बार भी चॉइस गलत हो गई या वो नहीं है तो प्लीज़ आप अपनी जो भी लड़की हो या लड़का हो, डोंट गिव अप ऑन देम, लाइक प्लीज़ सपोर्ट देम, यू नो, क्योंकि फैमिली का सपोर्ट इज़ द ओनली वे आई केम बैक. Otherwise there was no way.
Who all are there in your family?
My dad, mom, my chote papa, my sisters, they have stood by me like a rock. कि क्या और तीसरे ही महीने से सर आजा, क्या तू डर रही है, आजा. ऐसे नहीं यार, हो सकता है मैं ज़्यादा सोच रही हूँ, हो सकता है, बट आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ देम. आई वुडेंट हैव गॉट द स्ट्रेंथ अगर मुझे कहीं पे भी ये डर सुनने में मिल जाता कि बेटा थोड़ा ट्राई कर ले, तो शायद मैं सिर्फ एक आंख की इज्जत के लिए शायद रुक जाती. बट नॉट इवन वंस दे सेड दैट. दे सेड यहाँ आ जा, वो आ ही जाएगा, हम बैठ के बात कर लेंगे, लेकिन तू मत डर, तू आ जा. दे नेवर टोल्ड मी कि द डोर्स आर क्लोज्ड, विच इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड आई हियर सो मेनी लाइक DMs आते हैं मुझे वेयर उनका सबसे बड़ा रोना ये है कि फैमिली एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रही. दीदी वो हमको बोल रहे हैं कि वापस आएगी तो हम एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं, मैं कहाँ जाऊँ छोटे से बच्चे के साथ, you know. So it breaks my heart that family can do that, but I'm very, very proud of my family for that.
Absolutely, hats off to your family, because I think you were going through it and you were too engrossed in it, but they were the ones who were feeling it more than you, because they could see the pain in you and you are their child.
Yeah.
So of course, I mean, I wish and pray more families understood this.
That's it's actually an appeal to the families कि सोसाइटी, पड़ोसी, ट्रोलर्स, इनका कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है. आज मैं अगर थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंटली बैठी हूँ या आई एम फीलिंग बेटर और आई एम लुकिंग बेटर, इट इज़ बिकॉज माई फैमिली इज़ होल्डिंग मी इवन व्हेन आई एम स्ट्रेस ईटिंग, एंड दे आर ओके विद मी गोइंग ऑफ ट्रैक, एंड देन दे आर होल्डिंग मी व्हेन आई एम वर्किंग आउट. They are holding me through the whole journey of up and down, not just for up, even for down. So families should stick together. When something like this, nobody wants to do things like that. Like you said, gold digger and whatever. It is so funny कि पैसा तो यार कितना, मैं कह रही चलो, अगर मैं कहती हूँ मैंने किसी अरबपति से भी शादी की होती, की तो प्यार के लिए थी. चलो मुझे लगा कि मुझे कंफर्ट चाहिए, उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. There are a lot of women who want to get married for money. So what? करो, बट इज्जत भी दो, वो भी करो. मेरे लिए डेफिनेटली लालच था, एक लड़की है, लड़का है, यू नो, आई हैव अ फुल फैमिली सडनली, क्योंकि वो वॉइड बहुत ज़्यादा था. बट वो तो खैर ऑब्वियसली लेटर ऑन व्हेन आई केम टू नो, मैंने कहा मेरे साथ गोल्ड डिगर कैसे ज्वाइन हो रहा है, वो तो मतलब बिजनेस में काम करता है, उसका तो खुद का घर भी नहीं है, खुद की कार भी नहीं है. सर ये क्या बात हो रही है, यू नो. फिर बाद में मुझे समझ में आया, अच्छा बिकॉज दे अज्यूम, ऐसे तुम्हारे अजम्पशंस पे तुम लोग बैंड थोड़ा बजा दोगे, मतलब कुछ तो देयर रियल पीपल, रियल चाइल्ड, डूड बी नाइस. बट देन आजकल के बच्चे बेचारे, उनके पास कुछ काम नहीं है. फिर PR वाले भी लग जाते हैं ना आजकल, तो आप पे कर दो, पेड PR. अरे कर लो, बोल लो जो बोलना है बोलो, हु केयर्स. आई एम फीलिंग बेटर एंड आई एम सो नॉन अपॉलोजेटिक अबाउट इट दैट इज नॉट इवन फनी.
Wow. When it happened for the first time, you were younger.
Yeah.
Also, Jaden was like a child, a kid, and a newborn baby, right? And you are a first-time mother. You're going through so much already.
Yeah.
Versus when it happened now, when Jaden probably was your strength and support. He was probably, you know, backing you up, saying, "Mom, I'm with you." If not in words, then in action.
Yeah.
How has that transition been? Because I'm sure the first time around it was way more heartbreaking.
100%. I think that time I was mentally, I think बहुत बाद में समझ में आया, physically not ready, because I had just given birth. I had just like produced a child for the first time, and I didn't know what to expect. Like आप 15 deliveries देख लो, but जब आपके साथ होता है तो फिर that's the first time that you face it. So physically I was like, and premature हुआ था. Jaden was quite a premature baby, so there were a lot of complications. I would have to rush him to the doctor every few days for, like, you can't even imagine the amount of things that would have that led him to ICU every now and then. So it was physically quite painful to be alone at that time. Again, my family was there.
Yeah.
But तब mentally मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि कितना affect कर रहा है, because उसका, क्योंकि तब I got into a like a mommy mode, you know, कि अरे ये तो छोटा सा बच्चा है, इसको तो भाई संभालो पहले, you know. तो I think I was in that instantly. तो उस टाइम मुझे ज़्यादा mental realize नहीं हुआ, physical बहुत affect हुआ. Like till today my back hurts because उस time the time that I should have got massages, मुझे एक भी massage नहीं मिला because I was always running. I was always trying to, and you know, I was figuring out कि ये क्या हो रहा है, और family का एक अलग शुरू हो गई कहानी. So it was very difficult, very very painful. But this time, like you said, Jaden, because he's 11 years old now. He got, when we got married, he was 9. And 9 is not a small age for today. मैं I think at 9 was very झल्ला. कुछ दिन दुनिया का नहीं पता था, जहाँ बोला बैठ जाओ, जहाँ बोला उठ जाओ. हम बहुत ही झल्ले और बहुत ही बेवकूफ़ होते थे. But आजकल के बच्चे they are aware. Jaden is definitely more matured also for his age. I think वो हर single parent समझेगा कि होता है, बच्चे बड़े होते, उम्र से थोड़े matured होते हैं. तो I think he was also gauging, but he was not talking about his fears. He was not talking about कि नहीं करना, let's go. वो उसने कभी initiate नहीं किया. He was going through things. And he knew that I was obviously protecting him as much as I could. But the day I actually told him that, you know, should we go to Nanu Nani? He didn't even say once. He said, Mommy, you're the best dad I have from the time I know. It's fine. Let's go. We'll figure this out. For him to say this not innocently, very, I think till today I see him lead by that. He knew what he was saying. You know, he was also hopeful. Yeah. He was hopeful that it'll work out. He was very hopeful that next flight in and they're going to be both of them coming and saying, what the hell? Like, are you serious? You can't just, you know, like, okay, we should do this better, we'll do this better, and we'll cry, we'll shout, we'll scream, we'll hug it out, and the next flight back will be back. Because that's what families do, right? Like, मेरी sisters के साथ या कहीं भी झगड़े होते हैं, we fight it out. We don't say, आज से, bye-bye, this is my new sister. You don't do that. So, I am not raised in a family like that. So, I was not expecting कि इतनी जल्दी इतना कुछ हो जाएगा, बट देन आई रियलाइज कि ये तो बहुत प्लान था, ये तो बहुत पहले से चला था, तो उनके लिए तो इट वाज वेरी नॉर्मल, क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में ये प्लानिंग बहुत पहले से थी, क्योंकि हम वी वर इन द मोमेंट, तो इट वाज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सेप्ट इट. बट जेडन को डेफिनेटली इट वाज, आई थिंक, मोर टफर इन अ वे. इट टुक हिम अ व्हाइल, बट आई थिंक द थेरेपीज वर्कड and he's in a better place.
That is so good to hear, because that is what you always wanted, a happy life for him.
100%.
And I feel, you know, he said this line that you're the best dad that I have since the time I know. And this is what I think you've realized, but I would still like to say that I think nobody, whoever enters your life or doesn't enter your life, can replace the role that you play. Because I know a few single parents personally, and I know the kind of attachment that they have with their kids, and the process that they go through, it's not easy.
No.
You know, playing two people's part, it's just not easy. You have your supportive family, obviously, but despite that, you still are a single mom. Does that mom guilt ever creep in when you're working or not being able to give him time?
Single parents are born into this. The moment you're a single parent, guilt is your second friend that shadows you every single breath. Because today as I speak, I'm in Mumbai at Nariman Point with you. My son is in Pune. Because if I have to do this, I can't be there. If I have to do that, I can't do this. And this is a part of my career. This is a part of my job. I can't say no and pretend, like I said, shut my eyes and say, oh, I'm not famous, I don't care, people don't care. If you're going to invite me for an interview, I will show up. It's a part of my job. I will encounter you somewhere. And also, I don't have a reason to run. Let's just put it like that. I don't have any reason to not be here. So, guilt is something that I think, like, you know, if he's unwell and I am shooting, and my parents are taking him to the hospital, you know, I would beg for one scene ka gap where I can just run and just show my face that your mother's there. To do that, to run, and I used to drive at that time, honking through the, you know, the traffic कि बस मैं पहुंच जाऊं, कि जब इंजेक्शन लग रहा हो मैं पहुंच जाऊं. And मैं मेकअप सिंदूर विंदूर लगा के काला टीका करती थी तब, इतनी मतलब लाउड साड़ीज में. I used to be like, बाहर में जाए कौन क्या देख रहा है. I think I've become that person today. I would just rush and just run through the corridors and be there. And as dramatic as it may sound, it's been my life. And I would just be there. And Jaden would be excited, Mommy, and like, I'm here. एंड देन ही वुड कम इन माई गोदी, इंजेक्शन लग रहे हो रहा है इसको, तब सुला दिया, फिर पापा ले गए, फिर मैं भागी वापस क्योंकि सीन वेट हो रहा है, मैम कहाँ हो, मैम कहाँ हो, अरे मैम सब वेट कर रहे, आ गई आ गई आ गई, देन यू रनिंग अगेन. So it's been a part of my life from the very beginning, and it continues to be so. So guilt, I think now again, I think the mothers who have worked to raise their kids, or father as a single parent, the kids know the journey.
Yeah.
You know, I might think Jaden doesn't get it. He literally sometimes, I'm not even kidding, he tells me to sit down, mommy, breathe, just breathe. I have everything, just breathe. I am good. And he'll say all these affirmations for me. I am doing good. I am safe. I'm so happy. I have the best school. I have the best friends. He'll say all of those things so that he knows it'll echo in my ears. And he does that very consciously at 11. Because the kids who are raised in these circumstances, it's not hidden. He knew how much I've run. He's been raised on my makeup rooms, you know, where उसका मुंह ऐसे हम दीवार की तरफ करते थे कि शॉट के लिए मैं बोलती थी कोई जोर के मत बोलना, क्योंकि जैसे उसको सुना शॉट के लिए बुलाया तो रोने लग जाता था छोटू. तो उसको खिलाने में एक बॉय को और एक मैं मेड को लाती थी, वो बिजी कर देते थे. फिर जैसे ही शॉट के लाते थे नॉक नहीं करना, जस्ट धीरे से खोलो, आई नो कि शॉट रेडी है. तो वो इतना सा दरवाज़ा खोलते थे, फिर हम खिलाते खिलाते उसको दीवार की तरफ करते थे. आई वुड रन फॉर माई शॉट, give my shot and be sitting here before he knows for every single shot. So I've done that, and I'm sure a lot of single parents who are television actors will relate with me, will know. You know, people just think yeah, television stars हैं भाई, it's
बहुत मेहनत लगती है.
And a lot of single parents out there. I'm not doing anything great. Everybody's doing it. But this guilt also gives us power, I think, of doing 10 times more than a couple together do it. Like, you know, like a father needs to show up, a mother needs to show up, we show up for both. So it is very powerful. And now for sure, with all the realizations and everything that has come together, has brought me together as a very confident person. Like I said, I will take that apology, and I need that apology. And for me, I am unapologetically loud about how I feel, because guess what? You know, it is what it is. You like it, you don't like it, it's literally your problem.
You know, infidelity, when it becomes a part of any relationship, even the most confident women that I know, it shakes them up. Because then you start thinking, there's something wrong with me, maybe I was not able to provide what he wanted. And it takes a huge deal of maturity to realize it has nothing to do with you and everything to do with them. And that is why they take that step. Did it ever come to a phase where you had self-doubts about yourself?
Oh yeah, over and over again, I think. First time when it happened, even that time. But that time I thought, मेरा statement अपने लिए ये था कि यार मैं ही मोटी हो गई थी, क्योंकि I was producing a child and I was not very appealing, and कहीं ना कहीं वो desperation भी थी. Within 6 months I reduced like 34 kgs, which was not good for my health. Like I said, physically I took a toll at that time. But of course, I've matured to know that कि नहीं यार, excuse me, I was producing a full-fledged baby. Like I deserved to be. I should have been pampered at that time. But ठीक है. Self-doubt 100%. You know, when I went there, I'm giving nothing but love. I'm giving nothing but support. I'm like, you go, don't worry, I'm there. I'll take care of the kids. You know, dentist लेके जाना है मैं. You know, उनकी बेटी को लेके जा रही हूँ. कहाँ जाना है? Like what anybody would do. But then when you come to know कि oh, you left, so I have someone else now, and I'm like, how, what? How do you replace somebody so easily? Like, what I say this a lot of time, but I actually feel like my conclusion of this whole thing of self-doubt has come to a level where I feel like an Amazon package, which was online. अच्छा ये अच्छा है, इसका ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, ये काम आएगा, ले लिया. फिर खोल के देखा, थोड़ा यूज़ किया, लगा नहीं, you know, I can do better. So आपने उसको wrap up किया और भेज दिया. So it doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
You know, and that feeling is so unfair to even give me that 1% of thought. We were not luggage. We were not somebody you just take and then, you know, getting. Okay, now let's put the other side. I don't think मैं कोई हूर की परी हूँ, but I'm very sure if I need a man, how difficult? How difficult?
Very easy.
What, Bumble, Tinder, Tinder, जो भी कितने हैं? How much time? I mean,
Yeah.
I literally would like to challenge this. How much time? To get a man or
Yeah.
getting a woman is your power? That makes you like, oh my god, I can get some. I'm a 47, 46-year-old. What? It's so like not classy. Like,
True,
what
that's
are you doing to yourself? Forget about everybody getting affected and still
Yeah.
getting affected. But getting a man or get like, it's just shakes me on that level कि ये कैसा thought है. हाँ 20-22 साल में ना शायद I would still say कि यार बच्चों को ना एक्साइटमेंट भी होती है, यू नो मेरे पास तो एक है, फिर मैंने तो उसके बाद ना 2 महीने में आई गॉट अनदर वन. शायद 20-22 साल में या 25 साल तक एक वो होता होगा नंबर गेम या वट एवर. बट आप अपनी अधेड़ उम्र में just 46, I think now he's just turned 46 or 47. 50 के होने वाले, you're gonna be 50 and then 60. What? What?
Yeah.
That is your claim to.
How is that a flex?
How? Yeah, like, you know, so it's on them. It's literally on him. And it's just, of course, you know, and I think self-doubt हो जाता है यार. That is also something that, you know, I can't say कि, you know, I was an actor, so I was very confident. No, as a woman, you doubt yourself. I was gymming, I was trying to be like, oh, I'm going to be hot, I'm going to be nice, I'm going to be like fit for him. He likes to do gym, so I'm going to be जबकि I've always done gym in my life. I have done, मतलब obviously being an actor, मतलब कौन ही नहीं करे. But with him, I always felt कि नहीं, if he likes to do marathon, चल marathon नहीं कर पाऊंगी मैं तो कम से कम I'll work out. Like I'll always be at par. If he takes me somewhere, I should look nice. But that should not come out of stress. It should come out of love. It should, you know, so I think वो self doubt, when you're stuck with people like these, वो self doubt आएगा. And if self doubt is coming, maybe it's your cue to leave.
Yeah.
Maybe also that, you know, when you say red flag, if you're trying to really please somebody or trying to be perfect all the time, that is the time you leave. Because if somebody needs to fall in love, like it's not even filmy, they need to fall in love with your imperfections.
Yeah.
Because you will have a pimple, you will have your periods, you will have the cramps, you will have the days where you are wanting to wear a torn t-shirt, the most used rugged t-shirt and shorts, and sit in those pajamas and be loved. Because if somebody can do that, then please go to the gym, look fit, do all of that. But if it's happening out of compulsion,
Yeah.
that's the red flag. Run for your life.
You know, we'll remove this part if you're not okay with it. But there's just one thing that just bothers me and a lot of media people, and I'm sure this is not the first time you're hearing that. When the first time it happened, he's still freely roaming, even though the allegations were pretty serious. And I know for a matter of fact that it was true, because there was a shoot that happened for Khatron Ke Khiladi last year where I met him, and my colleague did a shoot with him where he asked him a question about being violent. And the reaction was such that it was quite evident that, you know, it was true. When that happens, this is again a part where maybe, you know, you are not a good human being. Okay. The second part is where you are a father, but you decide that you will be an unavailable father, which is so shocking to me, because when this happened, it happened after you were pregnant, after, you know, you have already given birth. It is his child also. So the entire responsibility of, I have seen interviews where you've said you ran to the hospitals alone, you went for the appointments alone. That is quite, I don't know, shameful to me to hear that somebody can be like that. And I have, you know, no fear. I might meet him at events, at parties, or at whatever interviews, but I still stand by what I say today, that this is just, to me, it's a very convenient behavior that I don't want to be associated. When this happened, did it not, and even today, does it not bother you to a level where you want to, you know, just pick up the phone and say, hey, what you did was just so wrong?
So this topic is something that every single time I avoid thinking about it, but when, like, how do I even pick it? So every time this is spoken, firstly, it comes to me in a lot of the PR activity horrendous way. She's talking about him again. Oh my god, I'm not. I'm being asked. And yes, I have nothing to fear to answer. Let's just start with that. That I do not tell you guys to ask me a question.
Of course.
I do not give you a question. And if I am asked, I have nothing to not talk. So yes, I'm more than happy. You want to keep it, not keep it. I don't care. Because it just, on a human level, let's just put it that, yeah, like, ये क्या बात हुई? वही होगी ना, शादी नहीं हुई तो शादी नहीं हुई तो ये हल्दी ये सब क्या था? वैसे ही मतलब आप ऐसे मतलब वैनिश हो गई, ये क्या हुआ? ये डेफिनेटली बड़ा ही मतलब बहुत ही I see obviously क्योंकि Instagram, thanks to Instagram, I see a lot of times, you know, his posts and whatever, dancing and doing whatever, and I have always been, even after divorce, I was his cheerleader. Even when I was angry, till today I'm angry for a lot of things that he had done during the marriage, after the marriage, whatever. But in between, kabhi Jaden ko mil bhi leta tha, I used to be like, ठीक है, you want to meet, come. I have never put my hands up. शादी के एक दिन पहले तक I made him meet the groom and said, meet him, ये वो, you know, come to Kenya, meet and everything. So I have never told him कि, you know what, you can't do this. I've always thought that it is the best for Jaden. In this whole, I think, scenario, first thing is, मुझे किसी ने अभी recent interview में पूछा था या कहीं कि proof तो दिया नहीं, हमें कैसे पता वो violent है? I said it is not. मैं यहाँ proof करने बैठी ही नहीं हूँ. वो it is not my, I have never spoken about it, I will never speak about it. I will speak about the hurt because it has come from nowhere. And it is a part of my hurt today. So if he was a part of it, my journey or meeting Jaden or whatever, I think I would have been the first one to say, yaar, no matter how angry I was with that man, he's at least standing by my son. And the fact that it's his, you know, that he has stood up for him, maybe has raised me, you know, because ठीक है, lot of things happened which were obviously, again, has no explanation, shouldn't have happened. ठीक है, nature था, upbringing थी, जो भी था, ठीक है, हो गया. But he could have redeemed himself. This was the time. Also that, you know, and forget about redeeming in front of me. I'm a nobody. Chalo, chuck me out. But for that child, he looked for him in the dark. He looked for him in that void. To do that, या तो ये मेरा तो actually शायद anger even goes back to a point कि जब divorce हो रहा था, we went for a mutual understanding eventually. क्योंकि obviously I had a lot of proof, lot of things that were submitted, and we were about to go for a full-fledged trial, and then we said, you know what, the child, like I said, I was physically not in a place to fight. We came with the thing, and also there was an understanding कि जब भी तुझे मिलना होगा, you meet, no problem, you know. So that time, whatever journey of 9 years, he could have avoided that. He could have just said, you know what, divorce हो गया है, I don't want to be in touch. तू अपनी ज़िंदगी देख, मुझे नहीं complicate करना. It could have been said then. Jaden was few months, 1 year old. I think तब चीज़ें ठीक हो जाती, you know, क्योंकि मैं I would have gotten used to that. But till 9 years, you show your face to a child. And वो बच्चा तो बच्चा है ना. It is not कि तुम्हारा बच्चा है, मेरा बच्चा है, दुनिया का बच्चा है. वो बच्चा है. He has no idea क्या होता है, anger क्या होता है, डिवोर्स क्या होता है. वो 1 साल 2 साल के बच्चे को थोड़ी ना पता है. उसको सिर्फ पता है कि एक बंदा आया, मम्मा ने बोला कि आपके पापा हैं. एंड आई हैव नेवर एवर शाइड अवे फ्रॉम सेइंग ही इज योर डैड. I have always said he's your father. You know, that's the respect I've always given him. He's met in my house. He's come to my house to meet him. He's come for his birthday parties. He has come for meeting him in restaurants. I have, every time he showed this much interest, I said, please come. I never initiated because it had to come from him, because I'm so anyways doing what I'm doing. But it vanishing on a child, because अरे यार फिर आ गई इसका तो मतलब फिर I don't know, मुझे तो यही समझ में आ रहा है, मतलब कितना टाइम लगेगा. I'll figure it out and I'll, you know, like for somebody recently said, कहाँ pick up, I think somebody said something or forwarded something, क्योंकि कई लोग ना बेचारे फैन भी बड़े क्यूट होते हैं, स्क्रीनशॉट्स भी भेज देते हैं. तो something somewhere it was written, I think, कि oh she's jealous because he's doing very well. I said भैया प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन जाओ. मैं तो कह रही हूँ आप प्रेसिडेंट बन जाओ, आप बिल गेट्स बन जाओ. मैं घर गृहिणी बन जाती हूँ with zero income. I am the mother of that child and I will be hurt on levels that has, you cannot wait with the biggest diamond. Please bring a diamond and bring that man and see if I go for the diamond or him. I will go to him and get angry. I'll not pick up the diamond because the anger of a mother is, what did you do as a human being? I'm not expecting it from your parents. They never got in touch. They were very clear from the day one कि हमें कुछ नहीं करना भाई, and I never expected them to, and it's fine. It's again their loss, not mine. My son is amazing. I don't care. But for him to vanish midway at the age of 9, you know, 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल तक भी टाइम था उसके पास, मैं तब भी शायद फॉरगिव कर देती. At 9, वो बच्चे को तो यही लग रहा है ना शायद मैंने कुछ गलत किया या मैंने ऐसा क्या किया कि he didn't come. कितनी बार the questions came and I'm like, I don't have the right answer, and that's not fair again on a very human level. And yes, I will speak about it again and again and again until that anger comes up. Because this hurt is too much. आप बच्चे के साथ क्या लगे हो भाई? एक बंदा वहाँ पे is treating my son like क्या बोलो? And यहाँ पे आप खुद ही और किस fear से कि यार ये आ गई यार, इसको तो जरूरत पड़ेगी. नहीं मैं please बहुत कामकाजी लड़की हूँ. I will earn. I'll be fine. But क्या है? You know, so yes, this is a topic that I will never understand on a human level. मतलब आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. I was the one, in fact I was producing some short films during COVID and I've done like 11 short films. I've cast Shaleen in one of them because that time we used to meet once in a while. He was also looking, तब तो Big Boss हुआ नहीं था, तब तक वो इतना stardom वाला phase आया नहीं था शायद. तब वो I was the one, I had called him, I paid him as an actor. I called him, we were shooting in Raipur. And he came. I paid him as an actor. And not that I paid him a big amount, it's not about that. For me, I always supported him also. I was angry whenever he would act funny, I was angry. Big Boss में गया, उसने कुछ बोला, then I was like all over the place. Because मुझे पता है क्या क्या हुआ है. So that anger is there. मगर उसको छेड़ो मत. But जब उसने अच्छा किया या I was always there because कहीं ना कहीं प्यार तो था ही ना. तभी तो शादी की थी. ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ी ना किया था. We got married because we loved each other. I don't know about him, of course, clearly now तो, but I तो loved him. I did it out of love. मतलब again, so तब भी मैं काम करती थी. ऐसा नहीं था कि पता नहीं कौन से रणछोड़ दास फैमिली में काम किया कि मुझे तो काम कर जरूरत ही नहीं थी. I was working 12 hours. इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूँ किया मैंने. उस टाइम भी बहुत सारे काम किए. I used to bring money home for the home. So आप कितने भी बड़े थे या जो थे, I was working also, even in that house. So for people to say, अरे ये तो ना जलती है क्योंकि ये whatever, I'm like, sure. Yeah. But it again, it's you know, it's very sad that I had to come out open about this fact because you know people were like, अरे यार शालीन तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे होंगे, आपके साथ तो होंगे and all of that, and then one day I had to be like, why should I be scared to answer? नहीं है तो नहीं है भाई, मैं क्यों बचा रही हूँ और मैं क्यों लगी हूँ. तो one day I spoke about it. I was like, भाड़ में जा, जिसको जो सोचना है, go for it.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. You don't get to do to a child. It's अगर ये भी था that he could have met and said, you know what, I'm not going to be full-fledged into this. I can't take this much. But Jayden को कभी कुछ चाहिए, I'd love to talk to him. I think that fear was कि shit यार अब तो इसको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. अब इसके लिए शायद कुछ करना पड़ जाएगा. Like नहीं, मेरी family है, thank you so much. But आप बात तो करोगे यार. So I think the anger also started because Jayden started asking questions initially. And to not have a right answers. And Jayden के नाम पे तो, you know, I'm Ma Kali, direct. So for me, that anger, I think, culminated into a lot of interviews and me being out there. But again, it is what it is.
Is Jayden at peace now?
Oh yes, now he doesn't ask. He doesn't ask. So Jayden, touchwood, like I said, now we have a code of laughter about it. There is this amazing way where Jayden literally laughs about it, can talk about it. Wow. 10 people, 15 people. You get him and you talk, he'll talk about it. Of course, I don't want him to ever give an interview or whatever about it. That's why he's in Pune. Let's start with that. I didn't want कि media कोई भी loosely भी पूछ ले, आपको कैसा लग रहा है. You know how the journalism again has both the sides. And I will not be shocked one day कि आपने एक बच्चे से कैसे पूछा. ये chances थे उस टाइम पे. I think now I do feel that जितने भी मेरे friends हैं या journalism में जितने भी लोगों से मैं मिली हूँ, the humanity has prevailed.
Yeah.
And I'm very, very proud that I'm a part of an industry like that. But am I doubtful on the fact कि ऐसा भी हो सकता था उस time? नहीं हो सकता था. You'll also agree. So I think, but the way he talks about it, the way he laughs about it, it's, I think we've come past that. Like Jaden is amazing.
Yeah.
He's so witty, he's so intelligent, he's a drummer, he's also a singer-ish. I
Wow.
think he writes his own lyrics, he composes them, it's amazing how he's making music more than, like, he's creating music at 11. So he's got some... At 11, he's creating. Like, he'll actually compose, he'll sit with this thing and he's got that, what do you call it, tempo. He's got the tempo create karta hai, and he actually does all of that. I'm very proud of him. Like, he's not just come out of it, he's made it a point. He's like, Mommy, I'm going to do very well in life. If this is how much they were thinking.
Yeah.
कि एक बच्चे को, इस आदमी ने भी यही सोचा, अरे यार ये बच्चे को देखना पड़ जाएगा, उस आदमी ने यही सोचा, अरे यार बच्चे को कैसे देखूं, एक ही तो बच्चा है, मैं कौन सा पूरी फौज लेकर.
That is so true.
It is such a small, so he's so taken it in a thing कि mommy, it's just you and me now. I'm like, I'm so happy. We went to Hong Kong recently.
Yeah, I saw the pictures.
We went to Disneyland. We had an amazing time. Like, ये तो हमको आता ही है. And now तो honestly, if I'll tell you, he's 11. He's almost like my friend now. He's my travel buddy. Every time I go somewhere, I want Jaden instead. Like, we have so much fun. He knows we'll have our chai time in the morning. We both get up and share chai. And then literally every single morning. Then we have, like, we'll make an itinerary. We have this luxury code. We have little bit of tourism code. कि थोड़ा tourism करेंगे, बाकी luxury में करेंगे. So he's like my perfect blend of perfect travel partner. So we do have a lot of fun, and actually now we laugh about it.
Yeah.
कि this is इतनी सोच थी, इतनी छोटी सोच थी. Are you serious? Like, you could have had fun instead. Actually, when Jaden does well, and there are so many things that, like, I feel that, oh my God, like, let's talk about...
You're missing out.
Shalin is missing out. He doesn't even know how much fun and wit that, he holds. And he is so funny and so intelligent that he's missing out on all the praises he's getting left, right and center. So it's his loss, clearly. So yeah.
I'd also like to talk about your phase of emotional eating and how difficult it can be to get out of that phase. Yeah. Also because when you're mentally going through something and physically also your appearance is changing and you work in showbiz, there are comments, there are mean people, and it could hurt you. But the way you've transformed, I saw a reel that you put out recently with your trainer, training so hard, and I do know how difficult it is to hit the gym every single day for an hour. Yeah. And physically, if it changes you or not doesn't matter. Yeah. It is what you're doing for yourself and for your mental sanity, because that gives you that pump of being happy also in life. How did that transition happen so soon? I didn't expect it. Last year when you went through it, I thought you will take your time. Yeah. But to see you today, you look so good. And it's not, again, I'll clarify, it's not about physically looking good. It's about, it shows mentally you are at a better place. Yeah. The stress eating thing I've realized is a pattern. It's either a Punjabi in me, let's just put that on the table, or it's probably how people cope in different ways, So I initially was in Bangalore with my parents. Then I came to my Chote Papa. He's my godfather, he's my dad, he's everything to me. So my parents, are traditionally not orthodox, but again, old. Yeah. They come from a very timid, scared place. So when I was living with them in Bangalore, I realized my presence is giving them lot of fear. कैसे होगा, अब कैसे करेगी, मुझे नहीं बता रहे. They are smiling. But I realized that I need to be out of this place right now, where I just show them success stories. See. So I wanted to go missing from the crime scene. Let's just put it like that. So I did not start stress eating then. Yeah. Because I think that time it was saving them from all the things that were happening inwards. So I left and I came to Mumbai. I came to my Chote Papa. His name is Sunil Mirpuri. And he is the angel whom I can say has genuinely saved me, is a very big word. But if I'm alive today, in the right space mentally, like you said,
is because of him.
Wow.
Of course, my parents, my family have supported everything, but I was also protecting them.
Yeah.
Because they come from that, you know, mama baat kar rahe but unki aankhon mein nami hai, and I was like, shit, my presence is doing this to them. You know, mama has diabetes, my dad is an 80-year-old gentleman, you know, so it was giving me that fear. So when I came to Chote Papa, he's obviously younger form of my dad. He's more like kuch nahi hota yaar, kar lenge, tu tension mat le wala. So I think I let myself be in front of him, and I started stress eating with him in Mumbai. And then he did not stop me. In the middle of the night, I was calling for pani puris, I was calling for vada pav, I was calling for only unhealthy food, because the only thing that was not making me cry or making me feel happy for that much time was very, very unhealthy food. And I'm very happy that Papa never stopped me. He's like, tu kha. क्या चाहिए बता, आइसक्रीम खाएगी? मेरा कोलेस्ट्रॉल ब्लड टेस्ट भी करा रहे हैं और उसमें दिख रहा है कि कोलेस्ट्रॉल मेरा हाई हो रहा है, आई एम एट द वर्ज ऑफ डायबिटीज, बट ही स्टिल नॉट स्टॉपिंग मी. तो एंड करते 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 देन केम अ फेज वेयर I met this guy called Gaurav Saxena.
Oh yeah.
Works with, not with Nikhil, but in the same company, different countries. And he literally came knowing his side, right? Because he had just met his girlfriend. He had literally like spent some time with him and his girlfriend. So he came with that thing of, samajh mein nahi aa raha, but you know, you don't seem to be, like, it doesn't make sense. It's not like nothing was adding up for him also. So when I met him, it was, and also he was going through his own things. I think that was my phase where I was already not looking the part, that because he'd met me almost a year back. That time I was quite fit. So when he saw me, he was like, what the hell? And I was like in this loose whatever, and eating, and like pimples and black, and like, you know, when you let loose, then you just let loose, because you want, because that time my aim was, भैया survive करना है, जिंदा रहना है, बाद में बाग का देखेंगे, जिंदा रहना है. उस time the only thing genuinely that was making me happy was food, and only unhealthy food. But then he came in my life, and dheere dheere we put 1 + 1 together, and then I wanted to do a travel show. I started that separately. My soul in my suitcase, I called it. I started traveling, and now I tie him Rakhi. His name is Gaurav Saxena. So Gaurav bhaiya joined forces with me. He said, you know what, it, like, as much as I want to understand the other side, it doesn't add up, it doesn't make sense, you know. And again, Chote Papa to was always like, tu travel kar, tu ja kar. So I went to Goa, I went to, I don't know, we went to Kochi and things like that. I think traveling again helped me a lot, and I was not rushing into becoming fit. मुझे लगा था बस जितने लोगों को मिलूं, कुछ ऐसा चीज़ हो जाए जो मैं सोचूं नहीं, because I was always only crying. It was not working. So I think the travel therapy helped quite a lot. So I tell a lot of women especially that when you're going through a crazy time, pack your bags and leave. You don't have to go to a 5-star. You don't have to go to a Singapore or a Hong Kong. You can literally go to Lonavala. Go for a drive, go to those chai points and, you know, those pakoda points. Just let nature help you with it, because at that time you genuinely, I know a lot of cases where women have got heart attacks, women have gotten into the borderline of diabetes ko cross kar gaye, to unko zindagi bhar diabetes chipak gaya, you know. So this happens. Stress is probably the jad of worst of the things that attach to you in diseases which you don't even know. और मुझे सबसे बड़ा डर ही होता कि भाई जिंदा रहना है. But but then I think eventually when I started feeling better after talking, this is a part of my healing. After talking, I started feeling better, and then I started working out, and then the show started coming in. But again, I was torn between कि मैं पूना में रहती हूँ, मैं कैसे करूँगी. So I was picking up shows, things which take less of my days. Then I started Bottoms Up Studios. That is my new production that I started, and that again gave me a lot of confidence कि यार creatively तो है यार, आता है काम यार, what the hell. फिर Bottoms Up में हमने कई सारी चीज़ें शुरू की. So धीरे धीरे I think कहीं ना कहीं मेरा यूट्यूब का भी एक सेटअप होता जा रहा है. एज अ टेलीविजन एक्टर आई एम बैक. All of that now pushes me to gym. It is the other way. I'm not going to gym because I'm doing
Yes.
that. Even when I did Colors ka first episode, if you see me in this month, see me in the first episode and see me on the 20th episode. Zameen Asman ka farak hai. Even when I landed there, I was still, because I said काम करना है, करते. I was working and finding happiness, so that happiness pushed me to gym. It doesn't go the other way. कि आप जिम जाओगे, like you said initially, you don't go to the gym and start feeling fit and happy. You will never feel happy the other way. You have to first find your happiness. When you're happy now, you want to see yourself look good. I want to get ready now. I want to wear like hoity-toity clothes again. But when I'm not feeling good, मुझे कुछ भी दे दो. मतलब मैं कुछ भी पहन के वही कपड़ा, कई बार I'll not take shower also 2 दिन तक वही पहन के वही कोने में बैठी हूँ मैं, क्योंकि नहीं लग रहा दिल. So you have to find happiness. You have to work the other way. Don't think being fit will make you happier. It will not.
It will not.
क्योंकि आप फिट हो गए, आप फिर again you let go. फिर आप दूसरे जर्नी पे चले जाओगे. It doesn't work like that. It is completely ulta. Find what gives you happiness. It could be traveling. It could be meeting your friends. It could be just going to the same cafe with a book. You know, it could be one very nice cafe by the roadside where just sitting with that book gives you happiness. Start doing that. Forget everything else. Just वो कर लो. तीसरे चौथे दिन ना you'll start smiling more. You'll probably have a random person sit with you. Those things will give you self-worth. Yeah, I can smile. Even when I look like this, I can smile. And when you do that, then one day you'll be like, हाँ यार चल workout करके आती. You'll do it for yourself. You'll not do it because you're seeking to be healthy or whatever. So it's, I think it works like that. So
it does. I think the true form of self-love is when you truly accept yourself.
Yes.
It doesn't
And
matter.
it's beautiful.
Yes, it is. But you know, Daljit, of course, you are a definition of what a strong-headed woman is, and that is how I started this conversation with. And I want to end it with knowing what is your perspective on feminism. We have so many definitions, and I'll just go ahead and say what I think truly, you know, we have made feminism sort of a thing that we are a man-hating community, which is not what we aimed at. What we aimed at was equal opportunity, equal respect, equal treatment in every way. We are not claiming we are physically stronger than men. We can never be. That's just how God has created the genders. We just want to be respected and to not face sexism at work or personally. This is what I feel. You tell me, what is your, perspective like?
You know, in lot of interviews, I have always said this out loud. And probably it came more strongly because I met Gaurav Saxena, who was going through his thing because of somebody. I don't want to get into that. But a man can be as wrong as a woman can be. It has nothing to do with the gender you hold. So firstly, wrong and right, जैसे you said ना कि लड़कियों को बहुत जल्दी जज किया जाता है. That is where feminism comes in. कि आज हम ब्लू टिन के डब्बे को बहुत फेमस कर रहे हैं कि उस पर उसको मार के अंदर घुसाया गया. वो एक लड़की ने किया. करेक्ट. लड़के भी 10 चीज़ करते हैं, लेकिन अब क्या है ना, इन आवर सोसाइटी ना वेरी वियर्ड वे, अगर एक लड़की को जला दिया जाता है, मार दिया जाता है या वायलेंस किया जाता है, तो उसके बारे में कोई बहुत ऐसे शॉकिंग बात नहीं होती कि अरे रियली लाइक एक बंदी के साथ ऐसा हुआ. हाउ? बिकॉज दैट द सोसाइटी इज यूज्ड टू नाउ. Men are going through this also needs to be that much of a concern as much as women. लड़के लड़की दोनों को एक तरफ दुख में भी लाओ और सुख में भी लाओ. चाहे वो अपॉर्चुनिटी है, चाहे वो आप एक लड़के को सपोर्ट करो. अगर उनकी वाइफ गलत कर रही है तो आप उनके वाइफ के लिए देखो. लाइक और पता है क्या है, ये बहुत इजी मैथ्स है. आप रिलेशनशिप में ना किसी के पड़ोसी के भी देख लेना. आप अगर एक बंदे को बार बार या बंदी को बार बार देख रहे हो, मिल रहे हो, सुन रहे हो, आपको पता चल जाएगा क्या हो रहा है. इसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है कि मैंने बोला तो आप लोगों ने माना. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जो हुआ पूरी दुनिया ने देखा, तो जितना मुझे पता चला वो आपको भी पता चला. इट इज सिंपल. तो आई जस्ट फील कि जब भी किसी दुख या सुख या अपॉर्चुनिटी या किसी चीज़ की बात होती है, दोनों को इक्वल, अगर आप एक लड़के के लिए शॉक हो रहे हो,
हाँ,
लड़की के लिए भी चाहे वो 1 बिलियन हो, शॉक होना चाहिए. दैट इज़ माई प्रॉब्लम कि आप एक चीज़ के लिए यूज टू हो चुके हो. दैट इज़ माई प्रॉब्लम. सो फेमिनिज्म फॉर मी इज़ वेरी सिंपल. इट लिटरली कम्स इन, इवन फिजिकली आई थिंक women are as strong. If I was, मतलब God forbidden कि बारिश हो रही है, my son is literally my height now, literally. As a mother, even today, if I have to pick him up and run if there's
Yeah,
danger,
yeah.
trust me, I'll be able to do that. It comes, it's all here. So ना कोई physically कम है, ना कोई physically ज़्यादा है. आप opportunities दो. आप सेलिब्रेशन अगर एक लड़के के सीईओ बनने में कर रहे हो, तो लड़की के सीईओ बनने में भी all the men should clap like they mean it.
yeah.
That is all there is. Feminism is not oh hi आदमी
Yeah.
hi नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. I am the biggest fan of my dads.
Yeah.
My father who gave birth to me, my chote papa who has the spirit of an angel. I've been raised by men of worth, somebody who applauds women when they do well. So I am raised in a very secure place.
environment.
That's why I think I am so strong.
Yeah.
So when you raise women and men equally, you have a powerful society.
True.
You have a very evolved society. Imagine what we can do to the world if they both were given equal opportunity. It's so simple. So yeah, like फेमिनिज्म को इतने अजीब तरीके से मोड़ा जाता है that I feel यार तो कॉमन सेंस वाली बात है, मतलब इसको तो समझाना भी नहीं चाहिए. And I am a feminist, yes, for sure. You do wrong to a woman, dude, and I'll be the first one to stand up. I will always be the first one to. Somebody recently said something about Devolina, her child, and I was like,
that was horrible.
are you, मतलब क्या हो गया है, मतलब are you serious?
We have reached a new low.
न्यू लॉ भी नहीं है, इनको तो धसा देना चाहिए कहीं अंदर कि क्या कर रहे हो. अब वो एज अ मदर ये फाइट करे कि डोंट, ये बोलना भी पड़, आर यू आउट ऑफ योर ब्लडी माइंड? शी इज अ न्यू मदर, शी इज सेलिब्रेटिंग, शी इज, you know, I saw that Krishnawala, this cute picture she posted, and I know how much she, you know, she's a very family person.
Yeah.
For her to get married and have that child, and then to even think कि ये क्या बात हुई, I mean, I'm sorry, what? You know, so give, whether it's a man or a woman, have that equality के लिए लड़ना पड़ रहा है.
Yeah.
I mean, हम doomsday की टेंशन ना करें इससे अच्छा. So yeah, feminism is very simple.
It is.
Yeah.
You've put it so well with so much clarity that I think you truly know what it means to you. But on that note, that brings us to the end of this conversation. I have had such an in-depth conversation with you, truly. And I started off by saying that you're a very honest person, and it reflected through all your answers. And I just again want to thank your family and your son Jaden for being you know, so supportive to you, and I think they are the people who make you who you are today.
Absolutely.
But thank you so much for sharing with me whatever you were comfortable with, and I just hope nothing but more and more happiness to you.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're most welcome.
Like I always say, I am more than happy to always come and talk about my journey, because the kind of response I get on my inbox and a lot of women that I'm talking to today is thanks to all the interviews I give.
Wow.
So thank you so much for having me, and thank you so much for just having such a beautiful conversation.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Daljit Kaur, and you're watching me on FPJ Showbiz. I've had this beautiful conversation with this beautiful girl called Rashita. Of course, you know her. She's a rock star, and you know how it is with her. You just chat, and clearly we both talk a lot. So we've talked a lot, and you'll get to see it all on her upcoming interview with me. And thank you so much for having me. It was amazing.